Hi, everyone. Welcome to ExpatMemo. Today, we have a special treat. We're going to a place that I used to be living, and that's Gongju. Gongju is the place where you can have some fun, get away from regular tourists, Westerners. You'll see a bunch of Korean tourists because they know about this place. Gongju is south of Seoul. And as you get there on a bus, probably from Daejeon, which is another large city in Korea, you'll see a river. And across the river, up on a hill, is the fortress. It's also known as the castle. And it has a wall all the way around it. It's pretty impressive. What can you tell us about this place?
Well, the fortress is a historical site and was awarded by UNESCO as a World Heritage place. So this is really, really old. It was built somewhere around 500 AD. And you can get there to the fortress by taking the bus from, if you're coming from Daejeon, or also from Seoul. If you're coming from Seoul, you can take bus as well. I think you'll probably spend somewhere around 8,000 to 10,000 won. That's like 10 to 11 US dollars.
Yeah, there's a bunch of trips there. I saw one online. It was 500,000. Don't do those trips. Just take a bus. Very easy to get to. And check it out. Now, there's a festival there every year, right?
Right. It's called the Baekje Festival. It happens somewhere around September. It lasts for, I think, nearly 2 weeks. The thing that you would have to check out most, apart from the fortress, is the fireworks, because the fireworks is awesome. We'll cover about that later in our vlog. Do check it out.
Yeah, definitely.
제45회 백제문화재 행사 시 첫 선을 보인 바 있습니다.
대백제국의 숨은 병들은 장군을 받기 위하여 이 자리에 모였습니다.
방영하노라. 여기가 어디인가? 오늘도 대백제국은 안전할 것이다.
장군들이 창수를 마친 병사들의 창이나 갑옷을 점검하고 있는 모습입니다. 병사들의 창술이 끝났으니 장군이나 병사들과 함께 기념 촬영을 하셔도 됩니다.
Thanks for watching.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.